Did you know that bone broth can make your hair super healthy and shiny and even make it grow longer and thicker? If it has bone marrow, it's even better. Bone broth is packed with collagen, which is essential for healthy hair growth and skin growth and nail growth. So this is really a beauty superfood. You might be thinking, Panda, that's gross. I don't want to put bone broth on my hair. And I'm here to tell you, you don't have to. Although you can add bone broth to your pre-poop product. So you can add 2 tablespoons of bone broth into your pre-poop product, work it into your hair, and then wash it off. The best part about this is that the benefit comes from within, which means you just have to drink this delicious bone broth and get the benefits of it. Don't even get me started on the bone marrow. Benefits of bone marrow is insane. Bone broth is also rich with amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. It's going to help you grow hair that is stronger and prevent breakage. And an added bonus that it curbs your appetite. I have been craving less foods and losing weight since I started drinking 1 cup a day of bone broth. And the best part of it is very easy to make. You can buy it pre-made, but it can become pricey, especially if you're getting grass-fed beef bone broth. But I'm going to show you how to make it at home and make lots of it. That's going to last you for a good 2 weeks for less than $10. Get yourself some bones. You can find them in the frozen section at the grocery store. Add them to your Instant Pot, or you can use a regular pot. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt. Fill it up with water. I add some carrots for my dog, some bay leaves, and then cook them on high heat for 3 hours. If you're doing it on the stove top, you would want to simmer it on low heat for about 12 hours, and it can make you enough for 2 weeks.